Howdy everyone, this is Tricia and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make no salt turkey and pork patties. I want these for my breakfast, and because pre-made ones have a lot of salt and I am on a cardio diet, I am making my own. So I got some ground turkey and some ground pork and made my own. So if you want to see how I put these together, keep on watching. Alright, so let's start off with our ingredients. I am going to be using a lean ground turkey that is a 93%, 7%. And then I'm going to be using this ground pork, and this is a 90% lean, 10% fat. And I've got some seasonings here on the side. I've got garlic powder, smoked paprika, and I really want to use that just for adding a little bit of color. Sage, because it tastes delicious. I'm going to be using my salt-free garlic and herb seasoning right here. And I've got a little bit of minced onion that I'm going to go ahead and use as well. Now I want to use all these seasonings in both my turkey and my sausage. So whatever I do with one, I'll just repeat for the other. I'll just show you one of them as I'm putting it in the bowl and adding seasonings. Alright, so I've got a couple of Ziploc bags here. They're not very big. I do have some bigger bags, so I'm going to see how many patties I can render and see if it'll fit in this size. If not, I'll grab a bigger one. And then I've got my Sharpie so I can mark on here, turkey and pork. All right, so we're ready with all our ingredients, so let's get to cooking. All right, so here's my ground turkey, and I'm going to start off with that one. Again, I'm only going to show this one, but I will repeat the exact same thing with my pork sausage. Okay, so I've got my garlic powder, and I'm just going to be generous because I love garlic. So you add whatever you want. And if you want to add salt to your patties, you do so in your tolerance of salt. Okay, some paprika. I think I'm going to add some pepper as well. Let's add some of this sage. I'm going to use my garlic and herb seasoning as if, the garlic that I already added wasn't enough. Okay, and then some onion, minced onion here, okay? And I'll add some pepper as well. And there's the pepper. All right, so I'm just going to give this a nice little mix. I don't want to overwork it too much, and I'll be looking at it, and if I feel like I need a little bit more seasonings, I'll add a little bit more. Okay, so I went ahead and added a little bit more garlic powder, paprika, and a little bit of sage, and I'm just going to grab like a golf size kind of ball here, and then I'll just flatten it out into a little patty. Now, I'm not adding salt only because I am on a cardio diet. So I feel like if I need to add any salt to my meal when I'm having the sausage, I'll probably have it with a side of eggs. So I'll just sprinkle a tiny little bit of salt on my eggs, and that'll be okay. That way I can look and see what I'm adding. But I feel like whatever flavors I'm adding in here and what I'm adding to my eggs, because I normally use that salt-free garlic and herb or the original dash seasoning that's salt-free as well. That adds a lot of flavor to my food, so I don't really need to add any salt to anything. Okay, so I think this is a good size patty. I'm going to go ahead and make as many as I can with this amount. Of course, you make them the size that you want them, and then we're going to put them in the pan. Okay, so I have a hot pan here with some olive oil, and I've gone ahead and I've reduced the heat because it was pretty hot. And I'm going to put my little patties, and I make them, spread them out a little bit more, making them a little thinner so they'll cook a little bit faster. And I'm just going to cook them a couple of minutes, 2 or 3 minutes on each side. I'm going to add a few more in there and get those cooking. We'll pull those out, and then I'll go ahead and do the pork ones. All right, so I've already turned over a couple of them, and I've got 6 in here. And I still have a little bit of the ground turkey. And this was about a pound, by the way. I didn't check the packaging. I just ordered it, had it delivered. But my pork, it does say 0.99 pounds, so that's about almost exactly a pound. Okay, just turning these over. Now, as you're cooking them, they shrink up a little bit. They tighten up, and they do get a little bit thicker, and that's fine. So let's just cook these now. Another 2-3 minutes on this side. We'll pull them out, and like I said, I'll finish off the rest, and then I'll do the pork exactly the same way, and then we'll let them cool off before I bag them up. All right, everyone, so here are my finished patties. These are my turkey, and I think I got like 9 little patties. This one I got 7, and I think because I was making them a little bit thicker, a little bit fatter, and these were flattening out a little bit more. But they're pretty much about the same, about a pound each. And this is what I got. So now I'm just going to let them cool off before I put some in little baggies. So I've got my baggies already marked there. But let's give this a taste. Okay, so here's the turkey. There we go. Mmm. Very nice. I can taste all the yummies in there. I can taste that sage in there. Let's try the pork. Mmm. Yes. Absolutely. I think the pork is, to me, tastes better. Just a little bit. They're both delicious. Now, do I miss salt in there? Maybe just a little bit. I could have maybe added a little pinch, but like I said, I can always add that to my eggs or whatever else is accompanying this. Or I could sprinkle a little bit on top just so that I can see how much I'm adding. And not buying pre-made ones because you really don't know. I really don't know by reading a label how many grams of sodium is too much and how much is okay. Unless it actually says no salt, or some things say lower sodium content. And I really don't know if that's good enough. So anyway, these are delicious the way they are. If you want to add salt, of course, add salt on your own. Now, I can have these with a side of eggs, like I said, maybe some cottage cheese, or I can have them as like a little burger patty. Because as you can see, it's just turkey, ground turkey, and ground pork. So you guys, at the end of everything, I'm going to give myself a big old thumbs up, and I hope that you too will give me a big old thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and hit all the notifications so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video. I'm going to spread these out a little bit, let them cool off, and then I'll bag them. I won't show you any of that. You know, you can figure that out on your own, or you can put them in little containers, or you can put in the freezer. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, enjoy.